Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram try again later easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps you will find all the apps right here. Scroll until you find the Instagram app like this, and when you find it, click on it. Click on this force stop option and then go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back and then click on the internal storage or the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back again and now click on the power usage details. Make sure to enable the power consumption alert and then click down here on this force stop. After that you have to go back to the settings on your phone again, open the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds, exactly 5 seconds, and disable it. And now you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram and click on this update option. The problem must be solved right now. If it's not solved, this means that you have a problem in the network that you are connected to. So please try to change the network or the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. That's it guys, and also there is one last solution, which is you have to remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.